Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Peugeot 308. Now of course it is finished in this lovely deep blue metallic. You do get LED daytime running lights, halogen headlights which are automatic, front parking sensors and these freshly refurbished diamond cut alloy wheels. Now of course these are a 17-inch alloy and I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition. You can see there is also a tow bar fitted, you've got rear parking sensors. Then coming into the tailgate, we have plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have full cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've also got bits of leather accents as well. Then coming inside we have your 6-speed manual gearbox. Minimal controls for the middle, so in here you only have your heated windscreen or windscreen blowers and your heated rear windscreen. Volume is just here as well. Then within the touchscreen display we have Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink, Android Auto. Just turn that back down like so. Your climate control is adjusted within the touchscreen display as well. We have satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free. We've got various audio sources here as well if you do not want to use your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Then over to the steering wheel, we have your source and volume on the left. Over to the right we have your phone list and your radio preset controls just there. Your headlights are controlled via the indicator stalk, as you can see on the end, and then your cruise control is just down below. You also get automatic headlights as well. As you can see up top, this car has done 51,153 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Peugeot 308, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.